I'm recording. So how I got 99.26 or 36, whatever was my marks, I don't remember. Okay. So the question remains that you should have 90 percentile or 88 or 85 plus percentile in CAT. Okay, that should be your preparation level. After that, you need to do what? You need to do something like you should have around 98 or 99. You should be getting around 98 or 99 percentile in one of the sections. Okay, if you would be getting that, you would be getting through that sections and making the most out of it. Which section adds most to you? Okay, so there is an average, right? There is an average. You might have encountered this problem in the average also. Okay, you might have encountered this problem in the averages also. So sorry, DI also. There was a question in which the average efficiency of the questions were given. That means what I am doing and how much marks I am gaining for that question in per minute. Right? Hope I am audible. So that should be the main aim here. Okay. In CAT, the strategy gets divided into different parts. Okay. So what should we do? The most, okay, the most that we would make of is GK part. Hope you are doing the quizzes daily. Okay, I couldn't give you the PDF as I was busy in doing certain works. Okay, I have to work 7 to 8 hours daily these days to get different resources to you. Okay, so GK is the best what? Section to increase your marks. Why? Because nobody would be, because nobody, no, it doesn't. It counts in the overall marks. Okay, I had done around 12 questions in GK and 12 into 1.5. I think 1.5 was the marks or 3 was the marks this year. Do you know about the marks? Okay. Oh, 1.5 was the marks, right? So I did this much. So I got 6 to 7 marks. Okay, 6 to 7. I don't remember how many questions I did, but 6 to 7 marks is in how many minutes would you be able to do that? In 30 seconds, you would be able to do one GK question. Okay, so 7 marks in how many seconds? 7. Sorry, 7 minutes. In 7 minutes, 7 marks. And certain questions would be lesser, would take lesser than this, right? So maximum in 7 minutes, 7 marks. And how much is the time for GK? Sorry, how much is the total time for this exam? Batao. How much is the total time? 2 hours, right? 2 hours. So 2 into how many months? How many minutes? So 120 minutes are there for us. If we take 1 minute for every question. Okay. After that comes VARs. Now, how would we prepare for VARs? Any ideas here? How is the question paper given? Okay, VARC may we would have how many questions? How many questions are there? Yeah, vocab is important. Vocab is too important because in vocab you can get 3 marks per minute. 3 marks per minute. So if you do 2 questions, right? 3 marks per minute. This is maximum. You would get 3 marks in 30 seconds. Okay, so you can get 6 marks in 1 minute. That is high efficiency questions, right? Vocab is that much important. You can do normal Lewis, right? And you can read. Okay, do normal Lewis and try to find different roots. Okay, different roots of word. There are many roots, right? And then you would read daily articles. Okay. Now we would know more about this section because those who are better in this section in terms of all the sections, right? In terms of all the sections, he would do really well. Okay, I scored 98.9 in this section. Okay, and how much did I score in the other sections? Can you guess? Can you guess? Yeah, there is negative. Can you guess how much did I score in other sections? No, I score nearly 85 percentile in all other sections. So my total score was 99.26 percentile or 36 percentile. I don't remember. Okay, this was enough. If I had, if I have good academics, this is enough to clear the exam. Are we clear here? I hope we are clear here. Okay, that is why. So there are certain papers. Okay, there was 2017 or 2018 paper. I don't remember. 2018 paper maybe, in which RCs were difficult. Okay, in that scenario, we would do a different. We would employ a different type of strategy. And in 2019 or 20, the RCs were easy. Okay, the VARC section was easy. Quant was moderate, and DILR was difficult. So we would go through papers of 3 years, and then I would provide you with 3 years of 3 mock tests. Okay, based on each and every strategy that we have seen, right? The remaining strategies. So you would be able to get your own strategy for this one, right? And that would be your own strategy, not mine. Okay, LOD as compared to CAT is around 70%. Okay, 70%. You need to do all the easy to moderate questions to clear the cutoff and get a 99 plus. Okay, then also you have a freedom to move from one section to another section. You don't need to do all the sections. You just need to clear the cutoff and do all the moderate level questions if you can, and do all the easy to moderate level questions in your favorite subject. Easy to get 99 plus. Okay, but we have to work on that. We have to work on that together. Fine. Ab now let us start. Baron or Magoosh के frequency words कर लें. Baron or Magoosh, I have not done Baron or Magoosh. What I did was normal Lewis, right? Word power made easy by normal Lewis, and I read articles. Okay, I would disclose how we do the foreign words questions when we would be doing questions. So you would keep on checking the classes, right? Now, yeah, there are such sectional cutoff. There are such section cutoff. We would discuss the sectional cutoff of each section, right, in past years. And remember this: if you do 7 to 8 questions in one section, you would easily clear the cutoff for every section. Okay, and that is easily doable. Okay, I hope you get it. Okay, sectional cutoff is not a problem. The overall cutoff is. Okay, most of you would make a mistake. What mistake would you make? You would go slow as you go in CAT. That is not the case here. Okay, if you can do 10 questions in quants, right, easily, and you are seeing that all other questions would take more time than VARC or LRDI questions, then doing LRDI and VARC question is much better decision than to take on those quant questions if you cannot make into that, right? You can start right now. Okay, it takes around 30 minutes daily to complete normal Lewis, right? You would have completed that in 1.5 months, I think so. Okay, and daily 30 minutes of daily article reading would add to your vocabulary too. Rest of all I would be covering. Okay, rest of all I would be covering. So let us move to the questions now. Okay, let us move to the questions. So how would we, the most important thing that we can do in quants, as we would be doing quants today, is that we need to find different methods, right? We need to think through at least the arithmetic questions. Okay, if you would be able to do arithmetic questions, you would be through. And algebra is not that difficult. Okay, one chapter you can do is quadratic equation. You would encounter one question from here. Okay, and logarithms. That is all. 2 questions done. Okay, so let us see how we can do, and we would see which we would notice which chapter or which section does the question appears from. Okay, chalo. Let us do the first question. Let us do the first question. Which one would be that? Okay. So I would be giving you time. Okay, certain time limits will be provided. Let us do this. Okay, so this is the first question. Hope you are being able to see this. Okay, so how much time do you need for this? I would give you 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. I would give you 2 minutes. So I'm starting the time. Okay, where are the apps? Okay, I'm setting a time of 2 minutes. Okay, I hope you are being able to see this. Are you being able to see this? Okay. Is the question visible? The question?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Let me show the question to you. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Okay. And the timer?
No, sir.
Okay. I would. I'm starting a timer here on my mobile. Okay. I would keep on intimating. Okay. Start now. 1 minute remaining. You can send the answers privately. Okay. If you have done the question. Okay. So timer. Okay. Timer. I have got 3 answers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 6 answers. Okay. So some of you have done it wrong. Some of you have done it right. Okay. So what should be the first? What should be the first step after seeing this question? After seeing this question, I would make a table. Okay. Always make a table when you have a complex question. So I have two things here, right? I would name it as L and I would name it as C, right? That is machine. Now I would make a table. 2:1 is the ratio. Labor is to cost is 500 and 1500. Why did I make this table? Why did I make this table? Okay, the total cost is 5 crore rupees. Then total cost is 5 crore rupees, and the next there is 20% decrease in the labor cost and 20% increase in the whatever this is. Okay, capital or machine. Name doesn't matter to me. Okay. So why did I make the table? Why did I make the table? But how many of you did make the table? No calculator, I think so would not be available. Okay. Now we won't need calculator. We would be doing all the calculations on our own. Okay. So how many of you did make a table? Okay, those who make a table did the right thing because the data is available in front of me always. I won't make a mistake here. And what is being asked? We need to know what is being asked. The total capital and labor cost of the company would now incur for the monthly production. That is now after the decrease and increase in the respective rates, how much is the total cost? Okay, now let us see. What would we do? We would take it as 2x and take it as 1x. Am I clear? You can take this as for last year, it was more or less about same or 80 to 90% of CAT. Okay, the difficulty level, but we would be drawing certain strategies on the basis of that, right? That is why I'm taking the class. Okay, now 2x and 1x. 2x and 1x, I can take them as 2x and 1x. So the first years would be 2x into 500 plus 1x into 1500. You can do this quite. Yeah, seems like language more based on practical problems. Yeah, it is based on practical problems. Okay, so this is how much? 2500, right? 2500x is equals to 5 crore, right? We need to find the value of x, or we could do something without that. Okay, so 5 crore is 10 to the power 7. Crore has 10 to the power 7. Okay, is a 7 zeros. So what are we doing? Let us remove this and we would be left with 5 lakhs. Okay, you need to know how many zeros are there. Okay, watch Kaun Banega Crorepati if you are having any difficulties here. Okay, notice the number of zeros every day. Now I am left with 5. Okay, so I can remove 5 here. Okay, so 5x would be how much? 1 lakh, and x would be 20,000. So this is an easier way to do, right? This is an easier way to do it rather than write all the zeros. How much time would I take? Right, how much time would I take? Around 50 seconds I have taken till now. Some time for writing this, some time for writing this. Okay, so 20,000 was there. Now let us do the next. Okay, so new rates would be how much? 20% decrease is there, so this would be 400. Okay, 20% decrease, that means 1 upon 5 decrease. So 1 upon 5 is 100, 400 decrease, and there is 20% increase here. So 1 upon 5 would be 300. That means 1800 would be the rate. Okay, so we would do again, right? 400, 800x plus 1800. Right, how much are we getting? 2600 x, right? And the rest of it is what? It doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter. We are getting 2600 here, so it would be something about 2600, right? So 2.6 crores is the answer. There would be nothing else to do here. होगा क्या? बता दो. मल्टीपल तो सेम आएगा ना? मल्टीपल would be same. ओके, कोई डिफिकल्टी आ रही हो तो बताओ. Any difficulty that you are facing? How? Okay. So let us say we didn't even need this x. ठीक है ना? हम क्या करते हैं? Units ले लेते हैं. Let us take units. Okay. So हाँ, use same method. ये देखो, 1000 plus 1500. That is 2500 units is how much? 5 crores. Okay. 2500 units is 5 crores. And now we need to do what? 400, 800 plus 1600 units. Okay. You need to just find this. Sorry, 1800 plus 8. 1800 plus 8. That is 2600 units. Okay. Yeah. 5.2 crores. Okay. I'm missing something here. I'm missing something. Wait a minute. Find the capital and labor cost of company would now incur for monthly production. Monthly production is 5 crores. 500 and 1500. Let me see. Labor cost has decreased 20% and the capital cost has gone up by 50%. There is some mistake that I made.
सर इसमें प्रोडक्शन कॉस्ट हाफ करनी है ना, सॉरी प्रोडक्शन हाफ करना है ना, तो
हाँ
5.2 हाफ हो जाएगा।
हाँ, ओके ओके, has decided to reduce the production to half, that I missed, okay, so this would be made half, ठीक है ना, ये half हो जाएगा, ठीक है, you could have done that in terms of units too, just a minute, clear है, is it clear? I hope it's clear, okay, so it was an easy one, ठीक है, if you know how many zeros are there, okay, make some notes of this. Okay, let us move to the next question. Can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question? Okay. Okay, let us move to the next question. So this was the question for the next one. देखो यहाँ पे थोड़ा डिफिकल्टी है, ठीक है, this was the second question. Okay, I will make the figure for you. Just a minute, okay. I hope it is visible. It was too big earlier. Okay, this was the second question. So I would keep the questions ready tomorrow, okay, or the next day that we will be doing the class. So the figure is this. Okay, this is AB, this is CD, and this is EF. And there are four paths. Let us in this way, and in this way, and in this way, and in this way. Okay, there are curved paths also. These are different paths. Okay, O1 and O2 have been written here. This is O1, this point. This is O2, this point. These are AB, CD, and EF. Now find the answer. I'm giving you 3 minutes, not 2 minutes. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay, we would do this with two methods, 2 or 3 methods. I'm giving you 3 minutes. Okay. Okay, I have started the time. Start the question. Okay, one of the students from IFT has got a place right in Signify. Placement कितने का लगा है? I don't know. Okay. $32. Okay.
सर ये सेकंड लाइन में मूविंग
let me
फ्रॉम
let me
ए बी टू
let
कैसे?
me let me give you the options also. Okay, let me give you the options also. The options are 64, 32, 128, and 256. Yeah, what were you saying?
सर ये क्वेश्चन में सेकंड लाइन में मूविंग फ्रॉम ए बी टू क्या है, मतलब आई
He is
थिंक
moving from this point to this point along any one of these paths. Okay, he would move first to O1, then from here to here along any of this path, then from here to here at O2 along this path, curved or straight line, and then to EF line. Okay, got it? Got it or not? See, the main problem with you people is that you do not care about the other method. Okay, there is first method which encroaches the right engages the problem in a certain manner. There is second method which engages the problem in a certain manner, and there is a third method which engages problem in a certain manner. And the question timing for all these methods are different. So you need to open your mind towards this. We would do all those things right here. Question not complete. Let us see in how many ways EFAB. The question is complete. The question is okay. The time is over. Let us do this question. Okay. How can we do this question? First, by noticing the number of patterns that would be made here. Okay. Let us make the patterns. Okay. We have seen that now most of you would make a certain mistake. What? After the curved path in one step, he cannot take a curved path in the next step. Okay. That means if he takes the straight path, he can take the straight path in the next step. But when he takes the curved path won't follow. So let us take the curved path first, right? In the first step to O1, he takes a curved path. Okay. Then the mandatory pair would be S after that, the straight path. Right. After that, we can take anything CS, right? CS, SC. Okay. CS, SS. All the pathways with C having the C being the first path is covered. Right, it has been covered. Got it till here? Here till here? What would it do next? We would start with S. Okay, we can take C here so that we would complete all of these, right? S is the only thing that we can do, and C. Then SC again, okay, SS. Okay, these are the two pathways that we could take in this scenario. Then SS, CS, then SSSC, and then SSSS. Can you make this? Can you make this? Okay, what did I do? I took C and S because if I take the curved path, I would have lesser number of possibilities. Then I took S as the next one. Then I took C because I would have lesser number of possibilities. Then I took S. Then I would have lesser number of possibilities with S. Okay, so there would be two ways to do this. This one and this one. Okay, two ways to do this. Two ways. All together, I would keep on taking two ways. So how many two ways are there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means 2 to the power 4 into how many ways are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 ways is 2 to the power 3. That means 2 to the power 7. The answer is how much? 120. Okay. Was it easy? Was it easy? Okay. Let us see another method. Okay. If it wasn't easy, let us see another method. Let us see another method. So at most, if the condition was not there, at most how many paths we could take? 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Why are we taking into here? Why are you taking multiply here? Because there would be and here. 4 paths and 4 paths and 4 paths and 4 paths. But since there is a CD in step, right, from CD in step 3, right, there after curved path in one step, he cannot take a curved path. So 4 into 4 into 4 makes 256. Okay, so it would be less than 256. We can eliminate 256 easily. How many are you with me till here? Eliminated. 256 eliminated. How many are with me till here? Okay. Now, what would we do? If we take the curved path, we would have 4, right? First, there would be 4. If we take the curved path, it should be 2, right? This is minimum. That is the minimum that I am taking. Okay, it should be 2. Then we can again take 4 paths. Then we can again take 2 paths. Okay, this would be maximum that we can subtract from this, or minimum that we can subtract from this. It would be minimum. The number of ways would be more than this. Okay, it would be pretty complex. So it would be how much? It would be around 4 into 2 into 4 into 2. That means 8 into 8 is equals to 64. Okay, that means how much can we go down? We can at most go down till 128, right? It won't go to 64, it won't go to 32, because the number of cases would be a bit higher than this. So we can easily eliminate A and B and go with C. How was this method? So if you think that the difference is pretty difficult, pretty distant, right? I'm taking, let us see, okay. Let us take it step by step. Okay. So in the first step from AB to O1, I have 4 ways, right? I have 4 ways. Now, if I take the curved path in first, right, I would have 2 ways, right? And then if I would have 2 ways here, I can take the curved path again, because after the curved path only, I can not take a curved path. After the straight path, I can take both straight path and the curved path. So 4 possibilities are here, right? And then I can take only 2 paths if I am going by the curved path, right? This comes with 64 to the 8, 4, 4, 4, 64, right? There would be another capability, but the number won't go close to 32 and 64, because those are how much? More than 200, right? More than 200 or a bit less than 200, right? And the most we can go is 2 times this. Okay, so it would be 128. So 128, right? The most we can go is 2 times this, because there would be straight paths or the curved paths. We would have covered both, right? So 128 would be the answer by approximation in any scenario. Are you getting me? Vamsi? This is approximation. This is approximation. Okay. So we would be using approximation in many cases. Let us move to the next question. Can I move to the next question? Anyone having any doubt here? किसी को doubt है? Amisha? Okay, no one having. First method. First method में I didn't do anything. ठीक है, power कैसे निकाला? I had 8 methods. ठीक है ना? I had 8 methods of 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So what would I do? I have 8 methods. I would multiply 8 and 2 into 4 was the 2 to the power 4 was the number of ways in each path could be covered. ठीक है? So 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 is how much? 2 to the power 7. Okay. Let us move to the next one. Okay. Let's move to the next one. Okay, the product of roots. Okay, the equation is, let me write it down. Root 11 plus 2x cube root plus cube root 11 minus 2x is equals to 2. Okay, this is the third question. I'm starting the clock. Okay, start. Given you 3 minutes. Each one of you would need to do these questions again. Okay, if you are feeling stuck in this one, right, then you can come to me in the group also. Okay, so it would provide you ample of time to practice all these questions and where you are getting stuck. C, okay. No, C is not. No problem, just try it. Do not get bothered by this question. Okay, we are learning, right? Mocks में दिखा देना मुझे, ठीक है? Do everything you can in the mocks that I would provide. We are just learning, right? Okay, I am telling you the methods. How to attempt the paper. Okay, time up. Now let us do this question. What is the first thing that we need to observe in these complex questions? Yeah, this is about cubing. ये तो पक्का है, ठीक है? Now, what do we need to do? Now we would substitute it, right? We would substitute it. We would call it A, and we would call it B, right? The inside material. Okay, thing that is inside the root. What would it do? It would make our equation neat. Okay, so always try for substitution when you have complex materials. Okay, this is called substitution. Now let us do this. What can we do? What can we do? Okay, let us cube. Let us make it cube. Okay, a1 by 3 is given. So we would have is equals to 8. Right, this would be, I hope you know the formula of a plus b cube. Okay, everyone knows that. Let us do it. Okay, first we would have a plus b plus 3 a1 upon 3 b1 upon 3 and a1 upon 3 plus b1 upon 3. Okay, a1 upon 3 and b1 upon 3 has been given here as 2. So 3 a1 upon 3 plus b1 upon 3 into 2 is equals to 8. And here we would have a plus b. A plus b would be what? A is this and b is this. That is, we would have 22 here. Clear till here? Clear? Clear hai? Anyone having any problem here? Okay, let us do this. 14 upon 6, that is Okay, a to the power 1 upon 3. Now what would we do? What would we do now? Let me know what would we do. Cubing again, right? So cubing again, what would we get? Minus 7 upon 6, that is we were getting here. Not 7 upon 6, we were getting 3 upon minus 7 upon 3. Okay, let us cube. AB is equals to, what would be that? 343 upon 27. Okay, and this would be what? This would be what? A into B would be internal material multiplied. Okay, that would be is equals to 11 square minus 4x square. Right, that would be 121 minus 4x square. We can easily find 4x square here. Let us see. 4x square would be 132. Okay, when you would simplify this, it would come out to be 132. Now we have x square is equals to how much? 33. Okay, if x square is 33, how many values can x have, and which values would that be? Batao. Yeah, no, not plus 33 and minus 33. It would be minus root 33 and plus root 33. Many of you would make a mistake here. We are doing difficult questions here, so do not lose your patience. There would be easy questions. There are easy questions. 7 to 8 easy questions are provided in this test. So, clear? Which one would be the answer? D. Okay. D would be the answer. Right. Now let us move to the next question. Clear hai ye? Is it clear? Clear to everyone? Then we would move to the next question. We need to do 12 questions today. अरे बता दो यार.
So ये -343/27 के बाद क्या किया आपने?
अरे यहाँ से मैंने ऐड कर दिया ना, सिंपल 4x स्क्वायर निकाल दिया यहाँ से. 4x स्क्वायर को इधर ले गया, इसको इधर ले आया.
Okay, ठीक है.
Okay. Can I move ahead? Okay. Let us move to the next question. This is done. There is no other method for this. Okay. So next question would be, this is an important question. Okay. How to not make the question complex would be learned by this question. Okay, I'm making it black. I hope it is visible. This is the fourth question. See, the questions are really from the concept that you have, but the approaches are different. Okay, so you have to keep your mind calm, right? Then you would be able to do this moderate to difficult level questions in any exam. These are of level of CAT, right? Only 9 people are remaining. See, this happens. Okay, last तक जाते जाते सबकी हवा टाइट हो जाए। And those who persevere are the ones who would do better in the exams. Okay, starting the timer of 2 minutes. Are you getting anything out of crash course? Crash course से कोई फायदा हो रहा है? Time is up. Okay. Okay. How many of you could do this question? And where to start this question? Let us learn 2-3 concepts for difficult arithmetic problems. So whenever we start an arithmetic problems, we try to do that from the starting point or the end point. Here it is ending at the end point in 2019. So we would take this as a base, right? And we have been given an expression that is equal to the previous value. So let us take the number of members, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus himself plus a cousin. Okay. So these are 4 plus 2, 6, 7. So 41 into 7 should be the total age of the family in 2030. Okay. Now we need to add how much? 41 into 7 plus how many years have passed from 13 to 19? How many years? How many years have passed? 6, right? How do we do that? 2019 minus 2013, and whenever you try to do these, right, add 1. Whenever you try to count the numbers or the years, so add 1, right? 6 into how many people are there? 7. 6 into 7, age would also increase. Clear till here? Now the wife joined him in 2015, right? 2015. So wife, let us take age of the wife, okay, in 2015, and then take 2 years, 4 years for her too, right? And after 2 years, a son was born, and he would add 2 here. So how many people are there? 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, this was not 41 into 7. This would be 41. Okay, is it clear till now? Clear till now? बता दो यार. Everyone? 8 क्यों है? There were 7 people earlier. Okay, if there were 7 people earlier, the wife and the son has been added. right? 4 into 2, 4 into 2 नहीं होगा, 2 into 2 होगा क्या? 15. Okay, 4 into 2 won't be there. 4 would be there. Okay, 4 would be there and 2 for the sum. Okay, I hope this is clear. I hope this is clear. Okay, so what would we do? We won't. And remember that in these questions, you would not multiply anything at the start. Why? I would show you. 41 into 9, okay, minus 41 into 7. 6 into 7 plus 6 plus 2. This is what? 6 common into 8. I can take this. How did I take this? 6 common into 7 plus 1. This is 16 to 8. Okay, I am rubbing it down. Okay, 16 to 8. Now this is what? I'm taking 41 as common. 9 minus 7 is equals to 2. Okay, so wife's age would be how much? 8 6 ja 41 into 2. What would be that? 82. 8 6 ja 48. What would be the age of wife? Calculate it. Calculate the age of the wife. $34. Okay, 34, and there is one problem here. We might have got lost here. So we should have added here. We should have added when the age was taken. This was taken in 2015. So we would have a certain reference here. Okay, always check this. Always write the references. So 2015 age is 34, right? And the husband's age would be how much? 34 plus 3. Why? Because she was 3 years lesser than that. 37 was the age in how much? Which year? 2015. And 35 age would be when he had done MBA. That is in 2013. Clear? Year end. Right? So in these questions, you need to do this. You need to simplify. You need to know how to be simplify. So whenever you would be doing these type of questions, do this. Okay, try to think how to simplify these questions and where to take the base. Okay, those who have gone would be losing this. Okay, learned anything new? कुछ नया सीखा? Yeah, these are from the IFT 2021. These are the actual question of IFT. ठीक है, और एक ही का आपको YouTube पे भी वीडियो मिलेगा. You would get only one coaching center's video on YouTube, and they too have been in hurry while getting the answers. Okay, one of the students came to me and said that, sir, इसका आंसर कैसे निकलेगा? How would I find this answer in a lesser period of time? The people in that video had said, the faculty in that video had said that no method having lesser time than this, than what he was saying. Yeah. Yeah, that is why we need to look at how we can do this question, how we can make this question easier, right? How we can tread through this question. That is why we need to learn for IFT, right? This would also be helpful in CAT. Okay, this would also be helpful in CAT. We are going through the more efficient methods. Okay, let us do the next question. Okay, 35 was the answer. Let us do this question. We would do 3 methods for this question. Okay, many of you might be having certain difficulty in dishonest seller questions. Sorry. So you have 3 minutes for this question. I am starting the time. Hmm. Okay. Two answers are wrong. Hmm. 30 seconds more. Okay. Now let us see the methods. What we can do to get through this. There are three methods that I would take. Okay. First is common for everyone. That is for every 1,000 rupees of, I have taken 1,000 rupees for 1,000 gram of the substance. Okay. I am not talking about that substance that you are thinking about. Okay. The person, the well-known person that was involved in this. Okay. Now, that costs more, I think so. Right? 1,000 रुपए का नहीं आता. 1,000 रुपए खरीदोगे तो पता चला कुछ और आ गया. Okay. So 1,000 gram for 1,000 gram rupees 1,000. Then 10% he is cheating, right? He would be cheating whom? The customer. Okay. Because he's selling. Okay. So 900 rupees is his cost price. Okay. Now let us, he pushes up the price of the fruit by 15%, then gives a discount of 8% to buy for every kg sold. Now there are three methods to do this. Okay. First one is we have a method of 15% plus 8, sorry, minus 8% plus 5 into minus 8 upon 100. That would give the total percentage over 1,000. He is telling the customer that I am selling you 1,000 grams. So 15% and 8% discount would be on this 1,000, not 900. That is the actual cost price. That is the actual gram he is selling. Okay. So how much this would be? Can you find it for me? Can you find it for me? This would be 5.8. Okay. So 5.8 would be how much? 58 rupees more. So 58 upon 900 would be the profit percentage from the first method. Now let us move to the second method. The second method would be on 1,000 rupees. I could have taken 15% more, right? It would have been 1150. Then I could have got 11.5, right? 11.5 into 2 is 23. Okay, and 23 into 4 would have given me the 8%. So 23 into 4 would have been 92. Okay, so 92 subtracting 92 would have given me 1058, and 58 upon 900 would be the profit percentage. Okay, this would have been a method. Okay, the third method would have been, let us see. This is a ratio based method.
सर
Okay, हाँ.
58 क्यों होगा? प्रॉफिट कॉस्ट प्राइस तो 900 है ना?
हाँ, cost price is 900.
158 होना चाहिए ना?
He is saying that 158 क्यों?
सेलिंग प्राइस 1058 है, कॉस्ट प्राइस तो 900 है ना?
हाँ, selling price is 1058. Okay, 158, right? Okay, 158. Okay, 158 होगा. ठीक है. Sorry for my mistake. ठीक है. Now the third method would be how much? SP upon CP. This is another method. Okay, how much are we taking? 1000 upon 900. Okay, then there would be a 15% increase. How would we do that? We would increase it by 15%. Okay, 115 upon 100. Okay, then we are having a loss of, on this total increase, we are having a loss of 8%. Right? Let us do that. 8% loss means 92 upon 100. Okay, so when you would be finding the final one, okay, the final thing, it would be 1058. 1158 होगा ना? तो 1058. हाँ, 1058. Okay, upon 900. So we have CP upon SP, and we have to find the difference, that is 158 upon 900 into 100. The answer would be same in everyone. You don't need to find it, right? क्योंकि हमारा 17 16 में दिया हुआ है, तो it would be 17.xx. You can do that, right? 90 would be 90. 5% would be 45. We have reached 135. Then 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. You would reach this value. Okay, so 17.xx would be the value. That is B would be the answer. Clear hai? Any difficulty in any method? Any difficulty in any method? No. Okay. Okay. This is the ratio method. This is the percentage method. This is the logical. Do anything that you like. Okay. इस scenario में this method suits the best if you can apply it. Okay. This method suits the best if you can apply it in this scenario. Okay. Let us move to the next question. We have done the fifth question. Let us move to the next question. The sixth question would be, okay, I have to write it. Okay, if this would be an easy one. If 16 to the power x is equals to 64 upon 256y, the power y, and 9 to the power x is equals to 9 upon 3 to the power y. Okay, find x and y. Find x and y. I want to give you the options for this. This is an easy question. I am giving you 1 minute. It is 23:10. I would ask you at 23:11 or 12. Okay, how would we do this? This is really easy. Okay, this is really easy. What is this? This is 2 to the power 4x, right? What is this? 2 to the power 7y into 2 to the power 7y is equals to 64. That is 2 to the power 6, I think so. Right, 6. Okay, this would be how much? 4x plus, this would be 8. 4x plus 8y is equals to 6. Okay, how? We can write this as 4x plus 8y is equals to 2 to the power 6. The power is same. So this would be the first equation. Okay, this would be the first equation. Now the second equation can also be made 9 to the power x, that is 3 to the power 2x plus into 3 to the power y is equal to 3 to the power 2. So 2x plus y is equals to 2. What will be the equation? The second equation, we can find x and y easily. Can you do this? Can you do this? Okay. I hope you can all do this. सब कर सकते हैं? Where is Sriram? Okay, I hope you all can do this, right? The answer would be 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. The answer would be 5 upon 6 and 1 upon 3. Okay, so let us do the next question. We have done the sixth question. The seventh question is coming. Okay, please be careful. Okay. The seventh. Do this. I'm giving you 2 minutes. One thing you should do that you should not rush. Okay, don't rush through it. When you have started doing it, keep your mind on it rather than looking at the question, how many questions I have done and how many questions I need to do. So, any answers? Okay, time is up. No worries. Okay. First, what should be the first step after seeing this question? What should be the first step after seeing this question? First step, anyone? Anyone first step? Yeah, right number. Okay. Right number neatly, and we would also write the whatever we have done, right? 8,000 of his own, 8 lakhs of his own saving and 12 lakhs of, okay, 12 lakhs. This is of no concern to us. Okay, what do we need to know? This and this and this. So 12 lakhs are there, 9 lakhs are there, and 1392, 1,39,200. Right? The interest of R% is being taken here. Here, after 4 months at an interest rate which is 10% lower than the interest rate of his earlier borrowing. Okay. So after 4 months, that is, he would, okay, 4 into 3, okay, is equals to 12 months. अब कितने months बटे? 2/3 time, right? 2/3 of 12 months, that is 8 months. Okay, for 8 months of time we would be taking, so he would be paying 2/3 of R. And there was also a thing that we need to take 10% lower R, right? So it would be what? 0.9 R. Are you saying that after making the table, the question becomes really easy? दिख रहा है ना? How many of you can now do the question? How many of you can think that the question is easy now? How many of you can see the question that it is easy now? Doable in 2 minutes? Okay. Is it doable in 2 minutes? बता दो. Right? What will you do? 12 into R upon 100. Okay. And 9 into 2/3 into 0.9 R upon 100. Right? Why? Because I'm taking percentage here. So I would divide it by 100. That is equal to 139200. Why am I not taking lakhs? Because I'm taking this in units. Okay, I'm taking this whole value in lakhs. Okay, so I can take this value in lakhs, 1.392 lakhs. Okay, so I can do this all. Okay, the values would be 0.174 R is equals to 1392. R is equals to 8 would be my answer. I have taken both sides in lakhs, so my answer would be right. Fine. Okay. ठीक है. The question became easy after making the table or not? How many of you are not doing this in the mocks right now? बहुत सारे नहीं कर रहे. I know that. Right? So always write the question in easy terms. Why would you make an easy question of arithmetic that difficult to read? That is what my experience is. Right? That is why experiences and classes come handy. Okay. Let us move to the next question. This would be an easy one if you know the most repeated concept in any exam. Okay. The figure is like this. I will make the figure for you. Okay. Okay, the square needs to be adjusted. And there are a few circles here. There are circles here, here, here. We need to find what total area covered by all the 5 circles. Okay. And there are options also. These are the options. Centimeter square is there, 4 square is there. 4 root 2 is there. Okay, this seems complex. I won't give you the options. Let us so start the timer now. Okay, 2 minutes for you guys. Pi? I don't think so. The answers are no, I won't give you the answers. Okay, let us do this question. Okay, let us do away with this question. Or you need more time. You need more time to solve this. Take a second. Okay. I'm giving you 30 seconds or 1 minute. Okay, let us see what we'll do in this. Correct. What would be the first step? The first step would be to make a line here from this to this one. Okay, since this is a square, it is an easy question. Okay, let us see. We would make a line here. Okay, from here to here. Okay, now from this point to this. So we have the numbers for these points. The radius is 2 centimeter. This would be how much? 2 plus radius of the small one, right? And this would be radius and this would be radius. Notice that whenever that question comes, okay, this figure comes, okay, you would always remember this. Okay, this is R, and this is R root 2. So what would this be? R root 2 plus R plus 2 is equals to, this would be 2 and this would also be 2 because this is radius. So this is 2. Okay, and this would be 2 root 2, just as in this case. Okay, so this question repeats itself in every, right, every year in SNAP, NMAT, IFT, ZAT. Okay. Okay, every second or third year, this question would appear. This concept would appear. The basic concept of this figure. Okay, this is R root 2. This is R. Remember this. Okay, now we can easily find all the answers. The answer would be 4 into 2 ka square plus, sorry, pi r square. Pi into 2 ka square plus pi into whatever, 4 into pi into whatever this r would come. This r would come as 2 root 2 minus 2 upon r root 2 plus 1 would be common, and then we would rationalize it. Root 2 plus 1 has been given. We would rationalize it. Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. And then the answer would be put here, 4 pi r square. Clear? Any difficulties here? Any difficulties here? No, because answer is, let me see, 4 pi plus 4 pi 3 minus 2 root 2 का whole square. 4 pi plus 4 pi 3 minus 2 root 2 का whole square. This would be the answer. Okay, this is the answer for this question. Fine. ठीक है. So, हाँ. Okay. Let us move ahead. We are left with 3 to 4 more questions. Okay. Let us do this. This is the question for which nobody could find the shortcut. Okay. I would tell the shortcut for this. I would solve it with the shortcut. If you can find it, I'm giving you 3 minutes for this. Okay, this is the 9th question for today.
सर इसमें कोई फिगर तो है ही नहीं.
Figure.
मतलब कितने आवर्स.
Okay. So, just a minute. So Surojit takes 4 1/5 and Devajani takes 28 1/5. Okay, I would keep the questions ready next time, day after tomorrow, that we will be doing next week questions. Okay, in this week we would be doing 2021 whole paper. Okay, do this question. Hmm. एक और क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे, then we would end the class. Done. Okay, you won't be able to do it. Okay, let us see. Okay, this would be how much? This would be how much? 21 upon 5. This would be how much? 141 upon 5. Okay, so now the whole work was done by him, right? Surojit and whatever his wife's name was, Devjani, right? SND, right? So when S did T times of work, right? He was not doing any time of work, right? Then in the first scenario, the work done by, let T be the time, right? Let T be the time when they both together, and when they both work together, right? T be the time taken when they both work together. So the amount of work done by Devjani would be done by Surojit in extra how many hours? 21 upon 5 hours. Am I clear here? Same, the extra work done by Surojit into T hours is not being done in the second scenario. Okay, when Devjani is taking how many minutes? 141 upon 5 hours to do the same work. So we can find S upon D is equals to how much? 21 upon 5T, and S upon D is equals to how much? 141 upon 5T. Right? So we can find S upon D, S upon D. We can equate this. Right? We can equate this. Now you would say we have found 5T square is equals to 141 into 20. ओके, थोड़े बहुत गलती होगी यहाँ पे, देखें टुगेदर करेंगे क्या? हाँ, 25 t square, yeah, 25 t square, sorry. So I can take t square is equals to 141 into 21 upon 25. I would break this into the factors. ठीक है, ऐसा आएगा 47 into just a minute. Yeah, 47 into 7. Okay, and upon 25. So I can write t as what? 3 root 329 upon 5. So I can say that from here I can say that t would be okay 3 into 329 किसके बीच में आता है? 18 to 19 के बीच में. क्लियर है? क्लियर है? इज इट क्लियर? अरे बोल दो यार. क्लियर टू एवरीवन? क्लियर टू एवरीवन? क्या किया है मैंने? रूट 329 इसके बीच में आता है रूट 18 स्क्वायर, राइट? एंड 19 इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 19 इज हाउ मच? 361, and 324 is the square of how much? 18, right? ये सब याद रहना चाहिए. Now we need to add how much? We need to add this value, right? This value 4 1 upon 5 to this, that is 21 upon 5 to this, that is 18 into 3 upon 18 into 3 कितना जाएगा बताओ? 54 plus 21 upon 5 t plus 21 upon 5. This time would be time taken by Surojit, right? And 3 into 19 upon 5 plus 21 upon 5. तो ये आंसर आएगा 15 के आसपास, right? 15.xx. And the options were these. इसको ऑप्शन से करना था. ठीक है, ऑप्शंस were these. Just a minute. The options were these. देखिए. Now, if I'm getting the answer as approximately 15 and the options are given here, d is equals to 15 would be the only answer. समझ में आ गया? इज इट क्लियर? क्लियर है? Okay, so this was the easier method. If you would have tried x plus 21 upon 5 and 1 upon x plus 21 upon something, or 141 upon 5 is equals to 1 upon x or something, right? Then you would have paid a huge price. Okay, this is the method that was given in another video, the only video of IIFT solution that is available, right? And उसमें कहा गया है कि there is no method that can be substituted for it. Always find the shorter method. Let us do the last question for today and then we would end the video. Okay, this is an easy question of TSD. Let us see whether we can do it or not. This is the 10th and the last question. This is an easy question if you can do it. I'm giving you 2 minutes for this. Okay. Any answers till now? I'm not asking 9 hours. How many minutes after Pradeep did Subodh start from the office? I would give you the options also. These are the options. Done. Okay. Time is over. Let us see. Okay. So in these questions, what would we do? What would we do? In these questions, what would we do? The first is that this is the reverse process. Okay. This is the reverse process. They're covering the same distance. Okay. And this is the reverse process, that they are covering the same distance in different time periods. Okay. So if we would have started, we would have covered same distance, different distances in different time period. Now the distance is same in say in different time periods. Okay. Now 50, 60 is the, now we have been given the difference in time between Suresh and Pradeep. So we could have found the difference in time, which is Suresh and Pradeep. Right, Pradeep speed was 50. So we know that the time taken by Suresh and time taken by Pradeep would be reciprocal of the speeds, right? 50 and 60, and 5 and 6 would be the difference in time taken by them. Okay. And since we are taking that Pradeep took 90 minutes more than Suresh, we would 5.6, right? This is 5.6. So to reach to Pradeep, we would need to do what? 5 plus 1 upon 5 into 5 is equals to 6. So how much time are we taking more? 1 upon 5 of what Suresh must have taken, right? Now let us do the calculation. So we have taken 1 upon 5 of the time of Suresh, right? So it would be how much? 90 minutes. Now this is 5 into 90. That is how many hours? How many hours did Suresh take? That is 7.5 hours. Suresh ka hours nikal gaya. Now we would find the hours, number of hours that the other person took. Okay. Number of hours that the other person would take is how much? 6 is to 7 is to 5 का question है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? बताओ. What would be the time taken by the other person? Different. Up now we have time taken by Suresh and the speed of Suresh was 60, right? 60 into 7.5 should be equal to how much? How much? 75 into, क्योंकि distance same cover कर रहे हैं, distance should be same, right? Speed into time is distance. 75 into how much? We don't know. Okay, we will take t. Now this is how much? 10 निकल जाएगा, ये भी गया. 75 बनाने के लिए 75 गया, 6 hours. 6 hours निकलेगा क्या? हाँ, 6 hours. Taken by Subodh. Now if this is 6 hours and this were 7.5, right? 90 minutes extra were taken by Pradeep. So Pradeep would have taken 1.5 hours more than this person, Suresh, that is 9 hours. So what is the difference between Subodh and Pradeep? What is the difference between Subodh and Pradeep? 3 hours, that is 180 minutes. Now, any problems here? इसमें किसी को प्रॉब्लम भाई? 1/4 सुरेश का टाइम क्यों किया मैंने? Did anyone have any problem here? Why did I do 1/5 time of Suresh? Because if the power of Suresh and the time taken by Suresh is 5 units, then I need to increase 1/5 of Suresh, right? And 1/5 of 5 units to reach, to add 1 unit to this and reach 6 units of time. So that the difference between both of them was 1/4 of the total units of time taken by Suresh. That is why I have taken 1/5 of the time taken by Suresh. I have not taken 5 units to make it direct. Okay, so I found the time of Suresh directly as 7.5 hours. Is it clear? Clear है? किसी को difficulty है कोई यहाँ पे? This is how units question is done. Any difficulty here? Anyone? Can we use relative speeds? I have to see. Okay. Relative speeds ले सकते हैं कि ले सकते हैं? I don't know. I don't know. I have not done that question. This question in that sense. I have to check. Okay. If we can take that, I would mention in the Telegram group. Okay. If you have any problem regarding any questions, any concept that you are not feeling well with, you can take a screenshot and ask me in the Telegram group. Okay. Or the WhatsApp group for the batch students. Okay. That is all for today. Any questions? Any extra questions? अरे तो वही तो करा रहा हूँ यार, IFT का. धीरे धीरे करेंगे ना. How can I let you know in one class what are we doing? You need to have an impact. Okay, you need to have an impact. You need to get into the habit. Do the questions, okay, and try to solve them in different ways. Try to find different ways to get to the question. जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ वही करना होता है. Okay, try to get to the answer in different ways. Okay, try to get to the answer with the help of options. If you are getting halfway through the question, now apply options. Okay, right? Try to get more than one answers or the methods to get to the answer. Okay, then you would be able to do good in these tests. Otherwise, I don't think so. Okay, CAT may be tabhi easy hoga. CAT would be easier after you would be applying this method in both algebra and arithmetic, and it makes algebra and arithmetic both easy. Okay, and also most of you are not writing the tables for arithmetic, and most of you are not employing the method of approximation for the options. Try doing that. Okay, there are 2 months, right, till IFT, so we would be able to do everything that is in my hands for IFT. Okay, I have taken my score from 90 percentile to 99.26 in just 1 week. Okay, but uske liye you have to go through the process. There cannot be any shorter process for this. Okay, okay, keep on attending the classes. Okay, that is all for today. Okay, bye everyone.